Hi, and welcome to AMC Banking tutorial videos. Today we're going to take a deeper dive into the board section and how you can create custom charts based on your own parameters and filters. First, let's navigate to the board sections in your extend link. There are two default boards which is always static in the board section, the operations and the treasury boards. You can create your own board if you want by pressing the Add a Board button here, or by making a change to one of the standard boards. Making a change on the standard board will clone it, and you can now save it as a new board. You can add new graphs to your board, either by using AMC templates or by creating your own. An AMC template can be added to your board simply by clicking it. You can hover your mouse over the chart to see a short description of what it can be used for. Note that most templates are created with prefixed data filters and possibly time filters as well. If you want to create your own chart, you can do so in the Custom Charts tab. You can specify if the data should range from multiple companies, if you have them, or only the one you are currently in. Next, you need to specify your chart type. The options are bar chart, pie chart, counter, and line chart. Once a chart type is selected, you can select where to pull the information from. Should it be from your payables, meaning your payment lines going to the bank, your receivables, meaning your incoming bank transactions, your statements, meaning all transactions as reported by the bank, or your journals, meaning an overview of the journal statuses and progress. For each of the information sources, a related number of x-axis field can be used to generate a chart. Say I want to get an overview of how many bank charges I get in each currency. I could create a bar chart with information source statements, as the bank fees would be part of my statement lines. On the x-axis, I could select own account currency. And on the y-axis, let's select payment amount. In the next page, I need to filter the data. This is an important step to get right, as wrong filters might show you incorrect data. Let's add a filter to show transaction type is equal to charge, which should show me all of my bank charges. I could add a time filter to make sure I only see data for the last month or last quarter, but in this scenario, I will just go right and press next. Let's give our new chart a name and create the data display. As we can see, we have bank charges in both Danish kroner and in euro. Here, it's important to look at what is stated on the y-axis. Is it payment amount, is it count, or is it payment amount but converted into my local currency, in this case Danish kroner? If I want to compare the two currencies, it might make more sense to convert them into the same currency. The y-axis can quickly be toggled between payment amount in local currency, and count, and boards can be moved around freely and resized to your needs.